Dalgona coffee, whipped coffee. This is all the rage right now on the internet. You may have seen this elsewhere, which is made with just a few pretty easy ingredients. I add a few things of my own to give it kind of a unique kick. I wanted to show you this as a good example of a demo video that you could make with really simple tools and just a little bit of preparation. All right, so the sort of primary ingredients to any whipped coffee are going to be some instant coffee, any brand as far as I know, some sugar, just granulated sugar, and then hot water. You want a metal bowl and a spoon to measure the ingredients. All right, so about a tablespoon of that coffee, about the same amount of sugar. It's what makes the bubbles, the foam, sort of last for a little bit longer. And then you want about the same amount of water, so just a little bit of water. Now I'm going to use this electric whisk thing that is it's an agitator used to make foam in coffee drinks. You could use a whisk and time, or an electric mixer maybe even. I'm going to just try and get this to foam until you have maybe a cup or so of smooth foam. You can see that's pretty thick. I've got my foam, and I'm going to want to get a glass with some ice in it, and your favorite kind of milk. I like this oat milk, so I'm going to use that. And here's kind of the place where I'm a little different, I guess. I like to add some cloves, some cinnamon. Kind of foam that mix that with the same skimmer into everything. Pour this milk into my glass of ice. Now I'm gonna put this foam, just kind of like scoop this foam into the glass. And you can see I could have spent a little bit more time in foaming this to get a little bit more foam. And so that's sort of the Alex Mitchell whipped coffee. Could have been a little bit more of the foam, I think, but still, you get the idea. Try it yourself. It can be delicious. Not bad.